Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? I hope you're all fine. Welcome to the new video of Structural Revit. Today I'm gonna show you that how you can create rebars in your foundation. For this video, for this example, we'll be just using isolated footing. So let's put one here, anywhere. Okay, that's it. Where it is placed, let's see. Footing level should be in footing level. Ground level. Go to 3D view and remove it. Go to your footing level and go to your isolated footing. Select isolated footing, place anywhere you want, and we'll just modify this one and we'll place it, we replace them by it. So let's select it. It's pretty easy, just be with me. So to place any rebar, you'll need to create a section on it, like that, and to open your section you just need to click on it. I've struggled very much with this problem. As you can see that we are unable to see our foundation, and I did too much research on it, but I was unable to find it, and then I explored by myself. So the problem is you are unable to see the foundation. So for that you'll just need to click on it and take this thing around, and here you have this foundation. This is just the problem, the glitch in your section, that didn't take your foundation while cutting the section. Your foundation is visible, so you need to go to structure, select rebar. It is just showing that hooks will be included in rebar shape. You just click OK, and then you need to go to 17 number of rebar selected. You can change your rebar from number 4 to number 6. Number 6 is actually 20 millimeters. If you want, say OK. Then these are the rebar settings. You can click on it, you can actually hover on it, and it will show you what does it mean. We'll be selecting parallel to work plane and current work plane. Click on it and your rebar is placed. Now actually you want more than one rebar. This is only one rebar in only one section. So what you will need to do, you will select your rebar, so now we need to have our what we'll say covers. So for that you will select your rebar, go to structure, select cover. First of all, select your edit rebar cover, which is pick an element. You will pick the whole foundation. Then you'll go to your cover settings. As we are creating foundation, and we'll be casting it against the earth, so we'll just select 3 inches. Then as you know that this is very much from the left hand side, so if you want to reduce this one, you just need to select this one, pick a face, select this face and control select this face, select let's say 2 inches. Now you need to actually more than one rebar, so you need to select it and go to this layout, maximum spacing, let's say 4 inches is good. It is actually placed and we are unable to see it because it's in the longitudinal side and it's one after another. So now we'll go to footing level and you will be able to see all the bars placed. Now we want to place bars in this direction, so I'll just select this and create similar, press CS, and it will create a similar thing, anything you want to create. Then click here. Here again you are unable to see your foundation, just drag it down. So this is your these are your rebars. Now we want to create same rebar. You can do what I did before, or you can just select this and create CS. CS will make you create the similar. Select your rebar, select parallel to work plane, place it. Now as you can see that this is actually this rebar is actually intersecting with the longitudinal rebars. So what you will need to do, you will select this rebar, move it upwards, or you can do it by edit constraints from here. I'll just do it for this example like that. Okay, here you go. So I need to change it a bit like that. Then do what I did before. Maximum spacing 4 inches is good. Now go to your footing level and all the bars are placed. Now let's see it in 3D view. Here you have. So you are unable to see your rebars. What will you do? You will just select your foundation like that. Go to filter and you will just select your structural rebar. Only rebars will be selected from the whole foundation like that. See, then you can do all of the changes. You can change the structural rebar number, also size. So you need to go to graphics, revisibility, then do edit, select 3D view, check both of them, and you have this. All the rebars will be visible. So